A process that changes a rock from one form to another rock cycle. The rock cycle is the ongoing transformation of rocks through stages like melting, cooling, eroding, and compacting. Imagine trying to declutter your closet, but every time you reorganize, you find items that can transform into something new, like a shirt becoming a cleaning rag or a jeans pocket turning into a patchwork quilt. Just like your closet constantly changes and evolves with each reorganization, rocks undergo transformations through the rock cycle, morphing from one type to another over time. In this analogy, your closet represents the Earth's crust, the clothes are the rocks, and the process of decluttering and repurposing reflects weathering, melting, and pressure that convert rocks from igneous to sedimentary to metamorphic forms and back again.